Hello, everybody. Welcome to another headset review. Seems to be something that we do a little bit more often than not on this channel now. Something a little bit different. This has been sent to us from our friends at Madcatz. Yes, we all know Madcatz as the supplier of your favorite third-party controller that you give to your siblings. But in this case, they have made a headset. So we're going to be checking that out. A little bit of a unboxing for you here. So let's see what's in the box. All right, we're going to check out the F.R.E.Q.2 or squared by Madcatz. It's a gaming headset. We're going to start by cracking it open and having a look what's going on in here. It's pretty shiny. All right. Okay. One security tag after another. Let's see what with. Wow, okay. Looks like instruction and stickers. Hell yes. That is one serious headset. Okay. Is that the... I like that. That's kind of cool. The little microphone that sort of retracts in there. What have we got? So we've got my jack port there. Looks like an inline mute, unmute, volume to go in there. That's pretty cool. Anything else in the box? We've got a splitter as well. All right. I like the padding. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. Now that we've got it out of the box, it's time to test it out. So I've plugged this into my audio mixer, which I use for all my headsets. Got it all fired up. The build, this is plastic, like it's hard plastic, you know, just threw in there and so on. But the actual build quality reminds me of like studio headphones that I used to record my podcast on, which, like, it's fine. Like, I don't know, like, wear and tear wise, like how long it would last for, but you weren't, you know, mistreating it, that'd probably last you a very long time. I gotta say, super comfortable. Like, that fits quite well. What I will say is that these huge cushions either side here, they are just hugging my ears. I think it's time to give these bad boys a test. And the only proper way to test a new set of headphones is a little bit of crab rave. Let's fire some up. Man, I love crab rave so much. But it has got... Oh. That's good. You can actually, like the bass is solid, but the sound itself, the sound quality it's pretty damn good. Like really damn good. It'd be interesting to do. We'll play, obviously, we'll play it on stream a little bit. We'll maybe do some shooters or something like that and just see if it actually helps. Because I suppose at least from like switching from my more general purpose headphones to these ones, I got to say the quality in the audio and stuff like that is really good. I'm actually quite impressed. And, I'm not talking down to the headset. I'm not trying to say that, why wouldn't you be impressed, right? The main reason why I say it's so impressive is that these are. I just had to double check because I knew the number off my head, but these are $65 headphones. These are good. Like if you gave this to someone, like I said, the build quality maybe it's not the greatest, but if you didn't mistreat it, it'll be fine. But in terms of sound quality, not bad. All right, we are now going to test this little bad boy. This is the microphone that is built into the headset. This is the audio that you can hear now. This does go folding right in there like that to disappear if you're not using it, and then comes out like that, so you can. All right, we're just going to test to see a couple things. Obviously, the mute button definitely does mute. That's good. And then obviously we've got the volume scroller, which is for the headset audio coming in. So just to give you a bit of a test to see the difference, I'm going to quickly switch here between what is the headset microphone, which is what you're listening to now, and then I'm going to switch to the Elgato Wave. Okay, and now we're back on the Wave, so we can hear the difference, basically. But all in all, let's give a shout out to Madcatz, who did supply me the headset free of charge to give it a test out. And gotta say, in terms of audio quality, in terms of for the price, it's pretty damn impressive. We're going to be testing it out on stream for the next probably week and see how it goes. And it might end up being our go-to headset for a while. Let's just see how it happens. But yeah, thanks to Madcatz. And if you're interested in trying out one of these yourself, you can pick them up from a lot of your main retailers, your JB Hi-Fis, etc. And yeah, see how you go. Those are stickers too. Did I mention that? Thanks, everybody. See you soon.